Did you know May 1st may have been the first Labor Day? In this short video, we'll start with that and end with new employment laws incubating in the California legislature. I'm attorney Steve Matcha, and I've helped many employees resolve their workplace issues. This channel is to provide you with helpful or interesting information about laws affecting workers. So, was the first Labor Day really on May 1st? I've read several accounts and we'll boil it down to two. According to various sources and an NPR article that I'll link in the description, the first Labor Day was on May 1st, not in September. On May 1st, 1886, hundreds of thousands of unionized workers went on strike demanding an 8-hour workday. Since then, May 1st became known as May Day, Workers' Day, or International Labor Day. Why isn't Labor Day May 1st in the US? Well, along with the Cold War, there were concerns about communism and unionization. As a result, President Eisenhower declared May 1st Law Day, a day dedicated to the principles of government under law, and the shift ultimately paved the way for US Labor Day in September. So that's the first account. The other, found on the US Department of Labor's website, is that Labor Day was first celebrated in New York City on September 5th, 1882. While the strike for an 8-hour workday was on May 1st in 1886, in 1889, an International Federation of Socialists and Trade Unions in Europe declared May 1st to be Labor Day, and it continues to be celebrated by many countries on May 1st. To bring us full circle to the May 1st, 1886 strike for an 8-hour workday, the legislature is also proposing scheduling changes, including a 4-day work week and allowing hourly employees to request a flexible work schedule of up to 10 hours per day in a 40-hour work week. I'll add links in the description where you can learn more. Beyond that, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks for watching.